Okay, we're making our daily photographs of the wild ducklings, and it's drizzling or starting to rain, and I'm trying to get a few minutes in of this before I get rained out. I have a little raincoat for my camera, but it only covers the camera. The camera is not waterproof at all. I can see our ducks are here. I can't see how many ducklings I have. It looks like we have at least 3. It's always hard to spot that 4th one. Okay, they're starting to come out of the weeds, and we can see how many we've got. Okay, I'll see 1, 2. I'm not sure if I saw the same one twice or not. Okay, I'm going to be rained out here soon. 1, 2. I'm sure there's at least 3. There's the 3rd one. Now where's the 4th one? I hope we haven't lost one overnight. Okay, I'll see 1, 2, 3. I bet there's another one in here that I'm just not seeing. Okay, I think it's raining enough. I need to quit soon.